Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. As you can see, we're in primer, thank God. Time to get this thing on mask, get it out of here, get Steven's 6400 in here, and get that thing cleaned up, masked up, and put into epoxy primer. Alrighty, Steven's 6400 is in the booth. Taylor's already started masking it up. As soon as he gets back from lunch, we'll get this thing finalized and get it cleaned up and get it shot with epoxy primer.
Give it.
All right, the day has finally come to get Larry's doors out of the showroom and put back on his truck. The guys have already started that process this morning, so let's take a walk next door and have a look for ourselves. This is Victor, everybody, the newest member to Eye Candy. Say hi, Victor. He's the one who's been knocking out the bodywork on Larry's bed. Doing a fantastic job. We're gonna head next door and take a look at his cab over at Trey 5. Look at the patina. All right, Taylor got Steven's 6400 in epoxy primer. We got her all unmasked. We're gonna get it over in the bodywork area, get the doors on, and start doing bodywork. Yo. Ready?
Yeah. Can't see those back wheels, so.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Might have to go straight. Yeah, definitely turn the wheel to the left.
Yeah, turn the wheel to the left a little bit.
Yeah, I can't go too much more.
We're gonna have to probably go back. Move that thing right there. So turn it so we can kind of wedge it back that way some. Okay, now turn the wheel the other way. Hold on. A little bit more. Okay. Straighten the wheel out. Okay, so now turn that way a scotch before we start pushing. There you go. And now cut over. Harder.
I'm totally gonna clear up here.
Okay. Damn, it's like you've done this before. Is that good right there?
Yeah.
Can we go back a scotch more?
I'd rather have a little bit of room back there. I didn't like it wedged all the way back like that.
That's what she said. That'll work. If you're good right there, and that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't have to worry about alignment, we just have to get it close and then I'll move it around. These shocks make it real easy. All right, I got the top of the hood. Come back. Yeah, it could be, the alignment could be off. I think I had the hood stretched all the way over.
Okay, another week down here at the shop. The guys absolutely killed it this week. As always, we never get everything done we hope to get done, but we just keep pushing forward and trying to get things accomplished and move on to the next task every single time. We can start over here with this one here with Steven's truck. We were able to get everything metal finished and get everything in epoxy. Taylor also started the body work, so he started doing the fiberglass over the bigger dents and over the welded areas. And once he gets everything kind of shaped with that, he'll start doing filler work over top of that. So hopefully this thing will start taking shape, like really taking shape pretty soon. Victor's truck, Dylan has been just killing himself on this thing. We're so close, we really are. We've got the center section of the cowl to fit and weld in. We got a cap off the cowl here, and then we can start looking everything over and kind of assessing it before we start getting it ready for epoxy primer. Then after that, we'll start doing body work. Larry's bed is all knocked out except for the back roll pan. We can't finish that until we get the tailgate on. So we got the tailgate finished today, so Monday, Victor should be able to get the tailgate on. We actually have to grind down the inner tailgate mounting hardware because it's a little bit too tight, so we got to take care of that before we can get the tailgate in and out so we don't scratch the paint once it's painted. Then we can get the tailgate on, and then we can come back over here. Once we get the tailgate on, we can check the gap between the tailgate and the roll pan and then finish the bodywork down along here. We can't really dial this stuff in right here and do this until we know how it fits with the tailgate. So that'll be our next step next week. Once we get that part done, then we'll be able to get this thing in the booth and get it shot with some polyester primer. And then the whole entire bed will be ready to block all out and make sure it's good, and then move on to the next step, which will either be spot priming or maybe it'll be ready for sealer and paint, just not sure yet. But that's kind of what we got going on the last couple of days here. We'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're out.